Sneaky steps and shadowy ways. Welcome to the lair where the code is crafty and the hacks are always ethical. Hey guys, I have returned. Today I want to take a crack at Forest on Hack the Box, which is an easy Windows machine. So let's get into it. I'm going to start out with Reconnaissance. I'm going to be doing Adventure Mode until I get stuck, beyond moving forward, and then if I can't get anywhere else or get any further, then I'll switch over to guided mode. But for the moment, I'm going to be starting with adventure mode. Alrighty, so I'm just going to start with an nmap scan. I'm going to scan all 65,535 ports on the host. Do a no ping scan, do the fastest scan possible, which is -capital T5. I'm going to set double verbosity, --open for all ports, specifically that are come back as open. And well, there's our target IP address, and we'll go ahead and run that. Enter my pseudo password in here. And based on the ports that I'm seeing, it looks like this is probably going to be a domain controller. Okay. Alrighty. I do also want to add this to my host file, just so it's easier to work with. So I'll add our target IP address there and just call this forest.htb for the moment. Save that. Okay, and I'm going to run another nmap scan. I don't know, I guess we don't really need to run another nmap scan. Like, we know what services these are running. 47001 WinRM. We know that this is DNS, Kerberos, NetBIOS, LDAP, SNB. So yeah, I guess we don't really need to run another nmap scan. So first thing we'll do then is, let's see. Let's try enumerating shares anonymously first. CV, target IP address, -a, or whoops, -u, a, -p, oh wait, no, -u, -p, a, --shares. See if that returns anything. Oh, interesting. Status log on failure. SMB signing is set to true, as of course that would be set because that's the default for a domain controller. Let's see, what if we do this, not specifying anything, and just do this? I don't think it really should make a difference though. Yeah. Well, we did get status log on failure here. And then we got status access denied here. So I guess that does make a difference. Okay. Let's see. Where are... Okay, here we go. Active Directory and methodology. Let's try running responder. See if we catch anything. Oh, whoops. This is supposed to be a capital I for interface. I've never run this before with SMB client. This does not seem to be giving us anything. Well, we could try to do a SMB relay or NTLM relay. Oh wait, no, we can't do it. We can't do a relay because we have the domain controller and it has SMB signing on, and we don't have any other targets, so no, I can't do that. Okay. This does not seem to be returning anything. Let's try this command. I wonder why that's underlined like that. Oh, that's why. Okay. Need to go copy the IP again. Oh wait, I could do. I'm gonna just use the host name now of HTB. Let's give this a shot. No, that didn't work. Error anti-status resource name not found. Unable to connect with SMB1 network group available. Oh yeah, SMB1 is not enabled, as we saw here. Oh wait, no, it is enabled. It's not because I need the IP address here, is it? Let's do this. No password. Okay, so we are getting some information. This is actually giving us a lot of really good information. Alright, let's go back up here then and take a look at this. Outputs. The domain is called HTB. Okay, so we've got administrator, guest, Caribou, TGT. Don't really care about these accounts, I don't think. Sebastian, Lucinda, SVC-Alfresco. Okay, so this looks like a service account. Andy, Mark, Santi, and Zeus. Okay. Can't enumerate any shares. We've got the password policy. Minimum password length of 7. Password history length 24. Okay. Reset account lockout counter 30 minutes. Locked account duration 30 minutes. Account lockout threshold none. Okay. So we could potentially password spray then. No password complexity set. Minimum password length 7. These are the built-in groups. Okay. Built-in group memberships. Yep, okay, so this is a service account. Your policy creator owner, select the box /administrator, domain computers, exchange $01, domain admin, select the box /administrator, organization management, same, exchange servers. Okay, so that's interesting. We have some exchange servers. And we have these same users that we saw up there. Okay, and that's all the info we have. Okay, so let's make a list of valid users. just do this. Sebastian, Lucinda, SVC-Al Fresco, Andy, Mark, Santi. We also have the administrator. We're most likely not going to be able to password spray that though. We'll go ahead and save this. Poison the network, gather credentials, access host by abusing the relay attack, gather credentials exposing fake UPnP services with evil-SSVP. Let's try this. I don't think we're gonna get anything with responder though. Let's see. Actually, I guess I could set timeout on this. Sudo timeout responder dash capital I 10 0. What? Oh, whoops. 600. Here we go. DHCP poisoning with responder dash capital PDV. Spoofing DHCP responses can permanently poison victims, routing information, offering a stealthier alternative to our poisoning, right? Let's go ahead and kill that. Sudo timeout 600 responder I 10 0 dash PDV. See if we catch anything with that. Let's go back and look at user enumeration. Curb root, and when an invalid username is requested, the server will respond using the Kerberos error code KRB5KDC error C principal unknown, allowing us to determine that the username was invalid. Valid usernames will elicit either the TGT in a ASREP response or the error KRB5KDC error pre-auth required, indicating that the user is required to perform pre-authentication. No authentication against MSNRPC using auth level 1, no authentication against the MSNRPC net login interface on domain controllers. Method calls the DSR get DC name ex2 function after binding MSNRPC interface to check if the user computer exists without any credentials. The nauth NRPC tool implements this type of enumeration. Research can be found here. Okay. We do have a list of valid users. Knowing one or several usernames. Okay, so you know you have already a valid username but no passwords. Then try ASREPREST. If a user doesn't have the attribute don't require a pre-auth, you can request an ASREP message for that user. It will contain some data encrypted by a derivation of the password of the user. Okay, let's try an ASREPROST. In packets. Let me open this. Oh, there is bloody AD here. Okay. Okay, get NP users. This is what I was looking for. Get NP users. Is that here anymore? Oh yeah, there it is. It's one word. And then okay, and then I need the domain name, so let me do this first. This is actually HTB .local. Packet dash get NP users. HTB.local slash dash users file users.text dash format hashcat, and then dash output file hashes.asrep roast. Alright, hopefully this works. Aha, we got the service account. Awesome. Okay. Oh wait, no, this I already put this into a file. That's right. Okay. Hashcat. Is this dash 13? Is this module dash 13 or module 13100? Probably hashes dot yes, request. Password list, user share word list, req.txt dash capital O for optimize. Let's give that a shot. No hashes loaded. Is that not the right hash then? Do we have hash ID? I think that's a command line tool for identifying a hash, right? It's not. Oh, am I supposed to enter the hash here? Unknown hash. Does it say anything about cracking it? Oh yeah. Was it 18200? Not 18100 or not 13100? Okay, let's try that. 18200. Ah, that seems to be working. Is this gonna be our initial access vector? Yes, it is. Awesome. Okay, so we have a valid user now. Password is service with a 3. Okay. Let's see. What we can do with this. Oops. SVC dash fresco password. Whoops. Service with a 3. Okay, I mean, we already knew that was a valid account. WinRM access? Ah, sweet. It does have WinRM access. What about... I'm just curious if does it have RDP access? No. Okay, but we do have WinRM access. Okay, so we'll use evil WinRM. Fresco. Password service 3. Okay. So we should probably be able to get the user flag, I would imagine. Yes, sweet, okay. So we got the user flag. Paste, submit. That wasn't too bad. I'll say easy. Okay. Go to the root of C. Oops. Why did we not? There we go. Let's look at program files. What? Oh. Program files. Whoops. Oops. We have some DAT files. I can't really read any of them though, it looks like. That probably wasn't a good idea. Jeez. Probably. There we go. Reconnect. This looks interesting. Maybe not. These are just DLLs. What about this folder? More DLL files. Or well, .mui files. Okay, that doesn't seem too interesting, man. What is this? Oh, right. What about top? I don't know if I want to just cap the file, unless I can. Oh, okay. Is there anything interesting in here? Anything that looks like credentials? Really seem like it. Let's see. This ABC. What? Oh, I'm not in the system anymore, right? SADC, what is that? Okay, none of this really looks very interesting. Let's go to program files x86. Okay, let's go to users. Okay, so the only Administrator Sebastian and SVC-Alfresco actually have user profiles. It's interesting. SVC-Alfresco. Was there anything in here besides? Is there anything in documents? Ah. Oh, this is probably from another user, I would imagine. Yeah, I don't want to touch that one. Anything in downloads? Is there anything on the public desktop? Oops. Users, public. Okay, oops. Desktop. What? Desktop. Okay. You can't just CD into it now, I wouldn't think so. CC dash Alfresco. Yeah, another user must be on here. I'll just work in the desktop then. Oh wait, oops. Gotta go back a directory. I'll just... Can I do mkdir to make a new directory? Just call it T. Oh, yep, I can. Okay. I'll just go in there. And that will be my working directory from now on. What I'm gonna do though is I'm going to split this and I'm gonna run Bloodhound -cp -python -u svc-alfresco p service 3 and -c all -d for domain box.local -c all -ns. Try that. Okay, that seems to be working. Interesting, 2 computers, 33 users, 76 groups, 2 GPOs, 15 OUs, 20 containers. Oh right, we have Exchange L1 and Forest. Okay. Okay, so we got our Bloodhound data now. Do I have... but Bloodhound is not running. So I've already run this in the past, so I don't have to run install. What is it? Oh, can I do containers up? Not up yet, okay. Okay, should be up now. No? Oh, there we go. It's coming up. Right? Should be. There we go. Log in. Go to administration, upload files, and go into Forest and grab everything, all the JSON files. What? Can I really not? Oh, I didn't meant to hit Shift. There we go. Those are all JSON files. Yes, open. Upload, done, okay, go to explore, Forest, no, actually I want to do svc-alfresco, see what kind of access. Okay, and I want to add to owned. Alrighty. I can go ahead and set this. Back to normal with that. What are they a member of? Actually, let's make this full screen for the moment. General. Oh, whoops. Admin count true. Outbound object control. Part of service accounts. Rev privileged IT accounts. Zeus owns SVC-Alfresco. Outbound object control. Sebastian. Pathfinding. Fresco. And then I'm going to change this. SVC-Alfresco owns Zeus. Wait, what? This? Oh. SVC-Alfresco owns Zeus. And then Zeus is a member of Exchange Windows Permissions. And then Sebastian, or no, then this group has write DACL permissions over Sebastian and force change password over Sebastian. So how could we see? The user svc-alfresco at htb.local has ownership of the user's use at htb.local. The owner of an object is implicitly granted the ability to modify object security descriptors, including the DACL, when the following conditions are met. The owner writes SID is not explicitly granted privileges on the object, or implicit owner rights are not blocked. Implicit owner rights are not blocked and are therefore abusable when the following conditions are met. The domain's block owner implicit rights setting is not in enforcement mode. The setting is defined in the 29th character in the domain's DS heuristics attribute. When set to 0 or 2, implicit owner rights are not blocked. Okay. And either the object is not a computer or derivative of a computer object. Or the object is a computer or derivative of a computer object and the owner is a member of the domain admins or enterprise admins group, or is the SID of either group. Let's take a look at the Linux abuse. Actually, before I do that, let me move over here to Cypher and then use the pre-built searches. And I want to look at... Shortest path from owned objects. Run. Oh jeez. Where even is this service account? Jeez. Is it way down here? Jeez. This is actually quite a complicated domain. Or complex domain. Oh, here we go. Okay, so SVC-Al Fresco owns Zeus. Zeus is a member of... Wait, where is this? This is a member of what? Oh, a member of the group Exchange Windows Permissions. Groups in Active Directory grant their members any privileges the group itself has. If a group has rights to another principal, users, computers in the group, as well as other groups inside the group inherit those permissions. Where is that? Oh, this group is in the center of all of this. Okay. Member of Exchange Windows Permissions. Let's do this. Zeus, and then I want to do Exchange Windows Permissions. Let's see what can do if we actually get this user. What can we get with this? No abuse is necessary. This edge simply indicates that a principal belongs to a security group. Okay. What permissions does this have? Zeus, Exchange of1, Exchange Trusted Subsystem are the members. What about outbound object control? Oh my god. Sebastian. Wait, there are a lot more than that, aren't there? Yep. They don't have access to administrator. It looks like they don't have outbound object control to administrator. inbound object control. Let me see something. Yeah, why can't I? Oh, I can't focus. Okay, I want to see. So exchange Windows permission says write DACL over the domain. The domain contains users, and users contains administrator. So maybe if we could compromise this group by, let's see. So if we have Zeus, Zeus is a member of Exchange Windows permissions. Is SVC-alfresco not? No. But if I can compromise Zeus, they're part of this group, and then maybe I can compromise the domain admin using that access. Okay, let's see. So I can grant myself generic all permissions over Zeus using DACL edit.py, and then I can perform a targeted Kerberos. Get out of here, fly, geez. Let's move this back here. I think I might probably just script this out. Okay. some tools that I need, I think, from certified. Does this have... Or is that an in packet? Oh yes, okay. Actually I want to copy this. I do want this to be okay. And word wrap. And I want this to be principal. SVC dash fresco. Oops. Fresco. And then I need the target distinguished name. Zeus. Where's the distinguished name? Oh, here it is. And then the domain local, and then so the full identity is SVC. HTB.local / SVC - fresco, and then their password is service with a 3. Okay. Abuse. Cleanup of the added ACL can be performed later on with the same tool. Yeah, I don't care about that. Targeted Kerberos. Force change password. How does this work again? Copy all of these tools. Get NT copy get I'm not sure I even need that one actually. I think I do need targeted Kerberos.py. Actually, no, I don't think I do need that. forget what the output of all these tools is, like what they actually do. Oh yeah, I can actually look at my script that I made. Let's see. Oh, this was for packet-owner edit. Yeah, I don't think I need that one. I need this though. I don't think I do that, do I? No. And then I have to figure out what those other tools require. I forget exactly what order they're supposed to be used into. I wonder if I saved. I thought I had an article about oh, is it in here? Nah, I don't think so. Let's see. I guess I'm not gonna be able to script this out. Because I don't remember what other tools I need. So I guess I'll just run this first. See if this works. That seems to have worked. Okay, I think I have full control over Zeus now. But now I want... Is it this? No, I would have had to have a key before that. Is it get TJTPK in it? No. I think I have to use PyWhisker first. Wait, no, this was in... You have to have a key for that. have PFX file for that. What am I? Is it Pie Whisker? What does this do? Forget. Python resetter for property MSDS key credentialing for shadow credentials attack. What does this do? Let's try this. Service. User is svc-alfresco. Domain is HTB.local. The target is Zeus. Action add. What does the add action do? List, add, spray, remove, clear, info, export, import. I guess it's just a normal thing to do for the shadow credentials attack, so I guess I'll just run that and see what happens. Ah, okay, that is exactly what I wanted then. Okay. So I have a certificate now and a key credential. Let's see. So now I need get nt-hash.hi. No, get tgtpkinit.py. Okay. Dash cert dash pfx. That file is this one that starts with that. .pfx. And then the password is this. And then the full identity. Okay. HTB, oops, local. And then the target. Zeus. And is the Ccache file just zeus.ccache probably? Let's give that a shot. Did that work? Loading certificate and kit and key from file. Info many Kerberos loading certificate and key from file. Segmentation. Oh yeah. This is the segmentation fault issue. Must be running a Python virtual environment. Let's see. /activate. And then I run this again inside here. What? Module not founder, no module named OS Crypto. What am I missing? Oh, I have to install mini Kerberos, right? Pip install mini Kerberos. Okay, now I think this should work. Hopefully. What? KDC error PA data type. No SEP detail. KDC has no support for PA data type. Pre-authentication data. Is there something else? That I need? I always forget how to do this. But yeah, deactivate, that's it. Is there something here that I need? Does it have all of that stuff? Yeah. Wait, do I not have a Ccache file? Oh wait, no, that's to output too. Okay. Let's try this again, and then I'll look at the error if it doesn't work again this time. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. That should be fine then. Alrighty. Continuing on. Let me see if I can look up this error. And then fix this. wonder if this is even the intended path. I wonder if I need to script this out. I wonder if that's the problem. Maybe I just need to be faster. Let's do this. Okay. Let's do this again. Okay. Switch in here. And change these values as quickly as possible. PFX password. Let's try this again. Come on. No, I got the same error. Gosh dang it. Come on. Okay, let me go through guided mode real quick. HTB.local. Which of the following services allows for anonymous authentication can provide us with valuable information about the machine? LDAP? Yes. Which user has Kerberos pre-authentication disabled? SVC-alfresco. What is the password of the user? SVC-alfresco. Service. User 3. What port can we connect with these creds to get an interactive shell? That would be... where is it? 5985. Which group has write DACL permissions over the HTB.local domain? Give the group name without the @HTB.local. That is probably going to be Exchange Windows permissions. Yep. The user svc-alfresco is a member of a group that allows them to add themselves to the Exchange Windows permissions group. Which group is that? Wait, I can just add myself to the group? Okay, so this is not really the intended path that I'm taking then. This is way overcomplicating things. What group would that be? Oh, privileged IT accounts, maybe? No? Account operators, maybe? Remote management users? Account operators? Ah, yes. Account operators. Which of the following attacks can you perform to elevate your privileges for the user that has write DACL on the domain? Pass the hash, pass the ticket, DC sync, KRB, relay. Would that be DC sync? Yes, okay. So I can just add myself to the Exchange Windows permissions group. Net group Exchange Windows permissions svc dash alfresco slash add slash domain. I don't think I need that, do I? Let's try that. Ah, okay, that worked. So net group svc dash alfresco slash domain. What? Oh, whoops, net user svc dash alfresco slash domain. There we go. Okay, so I'm part of Exchange Windows permissions. I don't know why that's getting cut off, but I think that should be fine. And service accounts. Okay, sweet. Okay, so I've added myself to the group. Now I need to perform a DC sync attack. Man, I got really far on this on my own in a really short amount of time. Can I just do secret stuff? HTB local. SVC alfresco at target IP address. And password service. Is it -just-dc? No, that didn't work either. The distinguished name specified for this replication operation is invalid. Oh, just DC and TLM. Let's try that. Come on. DRSR session error code 0x20F7 error DSDRA bad DN. The distinguished name specified for this replication operation is invalid. Let's try. No. The DN is wrong. HTB/cc-alfresco at service at target IP address -just-dc-mtlm. Come on. It's not working. RPC SX is denied. Is it -use-VSS per? I don't think so. Nah, I didn't think so. Just HTC. No, that doesn't work. Why does that not work? This is not in Portuguese. Come on. Let's see. Exploitation. Secret stump. If you're not careful, this could trigger an intrusion prevention detection system alert. This is a rule that everyone should have within their IPS. Back to exploitation. With a proper user account, this attack will likely succeed with ease. Let's see. We will primarily be working with a tool called secrets.py this time around. Access to any ordinary user account will not suffice. As described above, a user account with replicating directory changes is required. This is what occurs when a user account without these privileges attempts to perform the attack. Okay. Okay, so I apparently don't have those privileges then. I don't even have those privileges if I'm part of the whatever group. Oh, what? I'm not part of that group anymore. Okay. Exchange. What is that group called again? Get out of here, Fly. God, you're driving me up the wall. What is it? Exchange. Windows permissions. Whoops. SVC-fresco. Okay. Okay, so I'm part of that group now. Let's try this again. It still doesn't work. mess without that. No, that still doesn't work. Why does that not work? Am I still part of that group? No? What? God, it's that quick? Jeez. Damn it, what is that called? Oops. Exit. No. I'm still in that group, but I can't. Do that for some reason. Okay, what am I? What am I missing here? Okay, this is the last thing, so at this point I'm just gonna look at right up. Maybe there's a step that I'm missing. One of the nested groups is found to be account operators, which is a privileged AD group according to the documentation. Members of the account operators group are allowed to create and modify users and add them to non-protected groups. Let's note this and look at the paths to domain admins. Click on queries and select shortest path to high value targets. One of the paths shows that the Exchange Windows Permissions group has right DACL privileges on the domain. The right DACL privilege gives a user the ability to add ACLs to an object. This means that we can add a user to this group and give them DC sync privileges. Go back to the WinRM shell and add a new user to Exchange Windows Permissions as well as the Remote Management Users group. Okay. commands above create a new user named John and add him to the required groups. Next, download the Power View script and import it into the current session. Bypass AMZ command is used to evade Defender before importing the script. Next, we can use the add-object ACL with John's credentials and give him DC sync rights. Oh, okay. That's the one thing that I'm missing. I added svc-alfresco to the whatever that group is called, the Exchange Windows Permissions group, but then I have to give them DC sync rights. Okay. So I guess I'll just do this. Okay, so I created a new domain user. Then I'll add them to Exchange Windows Permissions. And then that local group, remote management users, John/n. And then I have to get Power View, I guess. Bypass AMZ. Success. And then I need to get Power View. I already have it. Oh, whoops. Okay, I have that here. Copy that to here. Put back in here. Do I have to bypass AMZ again? I don't know. IX dash objects net.dev. Wait, I don't have to do that. I can just upload it. $pass equals convert to dash secure string. Let's see. Do 3 exclamation point. Dash as plain. Push force. $sign cred equals new dash object. System dot management dot automation dot ps credential HTB \John $pass and object ACL dash principal identity John dash credential $cred dash rights DC sync. Crap. Oh, I have to execute Power View first. Okay, that seems to have worked. Let's try this again. What? Maybe I do have to bypass and do it again. Will this work now? No. Maybe. Maybe I can't have these semicolons in here. Will this work? Invoke dash power. Okay, so that worked. But this won't work. Keep saying. Positional parameter cannot be found. Oh wait, yeah. That accepts argument system.management.automation.ps credential. System.management.automation.ps credential. That's what it is here. Oh, maybe I need to just run these line by line. equals convert to dash secure string. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, exclamation point dash as plain dash force. Okay, so that works. Then just this. Okay, so that worked too. Then add dash object ACL. The term add dash object ACL is not recognized as the name of the commandlet function, script file, or operable program. Check the spelling of the name, or if a path was included, verify that the path is correct and try again. There's no add dash object ACL. Is that not part of Power View? Okay, so yeah, that does not seem to exist. What things do exist with ACL? Get dash domain object ACL. Oh, add dash domain object ACL. Okay, I think that's the problem. This is supposed to be add dash domain object ACL. No, that doesn't work either. Oh, maybe... Is it case sensitive? target identity. I don't think it really matters though. Is there a way to see what functions you can use in PowerBeam? Hell? Cat time? Get a different power booster? Try and see if my version of Power View works better. And dash domain object ACL. Well, add dash domain ACL. No? I wonder now. Okay, so they're still part of Exchange Windows permissions and remote management users. Jeez, why is this not working? I literally just need to run this last line. I wonder if there's an in-packet token that can do the same thing. Oops. No, that doesn't work. Oh man. Oh, Dackle edit can do this maybe. Okay, let's give that a shot. Mesh action, right, mesh rights, PC sync, mesh principal, John, mesh target, oh wait. Target, John, HTB.local, oh wait, yeah, okay, dash principal. SVC-alfresco. Target, and then identity. SVC-alfresco. Password service is the 3. Okay, let's see if that works. Hopefully. Aha, that does look like that worked. Okay, so let's try secret stump. John. ABC 123 exclamation point at. IP address. Let's give that a shot. What? Oh, is it because that way? No, that did not work for some reason. Oh, they just did secret stamp. HTB/John at IP address. Password. Oh, that's not the password. Why is that not working? PCS access denied. Okay, they're still part of the Exchange Windows permissions group. Run the deck on it again. Oops. of here, fly. Jeez. I don't know why this isn't working. I do not know why this isn't working. Get out of here, jeez. Alright, well it's been almost 3 hours, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. Maybe I can figure this out and finish this machine up later. But anyway, thanks everybody who joined. Hopefully you have a good day, afternoon, evening, whatever it is for you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.